Have you repented of your sins and dedicated yourself to Jehovah to do his will? Your answer, please. Good. Question 2. Do you understand that your dedication and baptism identify you as one of Jehovah's Witnesses in association with God's Spirit-directed organization? Your answer, please. Your clear affirmative answers to these questions indicate that you are qualified for baptism as ordained ministers of Jehovah God. It would be appropriate at this time for us to approach our Father, Jehovah God, in prayer. Dear Father in the heavens, Jehovah, sovereign ruler of the universe, on this most important occasion, this turning point in the lives of these dear new ones, we approach you this morning to thank you, dear God, for your word, the Bible, which molds, shapes, educates us into the types of persons that you accept as persons who can carry your name and who can do the will of you, the Father. So on this occasion, we approach you on behalf of these baptismal candidates to thank you from the bottom of our heart.